Pythium Blight, also known as cottony blight or grease spot, is a lawn disease that will damage and coat your grass with a slime substance. When it gets hot enough, infected turf quickly wilts and dries out before dying. In this video, we'll go over how to identify Pythium Blight, how to control Pythium Blight on your property, and how to prevent further Pythium Blight outbreaks in the future. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first step in any pest control plan is to identify the problem. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, which can cost time and money. Pythium Blight appears in turf as patches of brown, gray, or purple that are 1 to 6 inches in diameter. Gray or white fuzzy mycelia may coat the edges of these spots. Additionally, the grass will appear soaked and feel slimy. The spots can spread and take over larger turf areas overnight in hot and humid weather. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Symptoms of Pythium Blight become apparent during summer when temperatures rise. Signs of the disease first appear when evening temperatures become 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The disease thrives in areas with high humidity where the soil drains poorly and maintains excessive moisture. When inspecting for Pythium Blight, look for discolored, slimy turf spots and the fungi's cotton-like mycelium. Also, note areas on your property that maintain excessive moisture. Warm and cool season grasses can be afflicted with Pythium Blight, but grasses like creeping bentgrass, bluegrasses, ryegrasses, and fescues are especially susceptible. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To treat Pythium Blight in turf, we recommend using a product like Mefenoxam 2AQ. This is a systemic fungicide concentrate containing the active ingredient Mefenoxam. It is designed to control different fungal diseases, including the pathogens that cause Pythium Blight. To use Mefenoxam 2AQ, mix and apply this product at the labeled rate of 0.49 to 0.98 fluid ounces of the product mixed into 1 to 5 gallons of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. For residential properties, make your application with either a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Broadcast the product evenly over the treatment area. Use a fan or cone-shaped spray pattern to ensure the grass blades are evenly coated, and spray to the point of wet but not runoff. Repeat this application in 10 to 21 day intervals during weather periods favorable for disease development. Prevention is essential to keeping lawn diseases in check. Even after applying fungicides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once Pythium Blight is no longer present, you can prevent its return by addressing your lawn's moisture retention with basic lawn care maintenance. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, regularly mow your grass to its proper height, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide your lawn with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage disease. Most lawns require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. We also recommend you apply Mefenoxam 2AQ as a regular preventive treatment. While fungicides can treat and control established fungi and diseases, they work best when used to protect grass from infection. Mix and apply Mefenoxam 2AQ at the same rate as discussed earlier, 0.49 to 0.98 fluid ounces of product mixed into 1 to 5 gallons of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Then make applications in 10 to 21 day intervals. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop fungi and lawn disease from taking over your grass, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.